Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. On today's video, I am going over 11 keto products I cannot live without. These are the products that have been essential in me losing 60 pounds. So we're gonna get started, and I'm really excited to talk about all of these things because I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, oh my gosh, all of these things are going to be expensive, complicated, like pills or supplements and stuff, and they're not. They are things that you can find in the grocery store because it's real food. It's mostly not supplements, and it's just food that I eat and I love, that's whole foods and good quality and delicious. Like these are my staple foods right now. So let's talk about it. So up first, now we're doing 11. May seem like a lot, but it's really not. But my first thing, let's start with my coffee every morning. My coffee every morning. Okay, let me clear all this. Let me clear all this stuff so I can talk about my morning coffee. What I like for my morning coffee is a good quality espresso. I like espresso coffee beans. I have an espresso machine. When I go to the grocery store, this is not something like, this is a brand that is made in my state. And that's what I like. I like to get a local, relatively local, good quality espresso bean that was, roasted in my area. Not some, Starbucks coffee. I don't have anything against Starbucks coffee, but I usually go for the local espresso. You can usually find some, I found this at Walmart, but because Walmart will usually have some kind of a local grocery items here lately, but also Whole Foods or any small grocery store in your area. This is Airship. They probably don't have this brand where you live because it's local to me. So just find something local to you. I like helping out local businesses to me in Arkansas. And so I picked this. So I do, for my coffee, it's 2 shots of espresso. And then my next favorite item number 2, and I don't have the box, but it's these monk fruit, now Real Foods monk fruit with erythritol sweetener packets. I do 2 of these packets in my coffee, and I do 3 tablespoons of nut pods. Sometimes I was doing heavy cream, but I would just rather do the nut pods because it's 10 calories a tablespoon, whereas heavy cream is 50 calories a tablespoon. So I would much rather do nut pods. That's, even though I do keto, calories still count when you're wanting to lose weight. So this was very essential for me helping me lose and maintain my 60-pound weight loss. And the sugar-free sweetener. I used to put sucralose in my coffee, but I switched to a monk fruit and erythritol blend because I wanted something that wasn't sucralose. I'm trying to eliminate my sucralose. Okay, next up is bacon. Of course, bacon, any kind of bacon. This one does have sugar in it, but the sugar is used for curing of the bacon. You can find sugar-free. I don't really worry about the little bit of sugar in the bacon. It doesn't contribute to any of the carbs. There's no carbs in this bacon. This is also a local Arkansas company. This is Petit Jean Bacon. Or I like Wright brand bacon, thick, but I love thick bacon. And I put it on a sheet tray with foil or parchment paper, and I bake it in the oven at 375 degrees, and it's the best bacon. And then I save the bacon grease, and I use that for cooking eggs or, whatever, which, oh, you know what? You know what else I can't live without? I should make this 12. Oh, we forgot eggs. Eggs is next. I almost forgot about eggs. So you can't have bacon without eggs, but I eat bacon without eggs all the time, and I eat eggs without bacon all the time. But I love these Happy Egg Company eggs. Maybe I'm just giving in to the marketing, I don't know. But they're free range, on a pasture, happy eggs, happy chickens give you happy eggs. They have really nice bright orange yolks. I love to have my eggs with my next item, and that would be ground beef. This is Butcher Box ground beef. So I have been, in my next item, the next thing is chicken thighs from Butcher Box. I have been a subscriber to Butcher Box since probably 2018. I regularly get their meat delivered to my door once a month, and it is so convenient. And now with meat shortages and things like that, I don't have to worry about whether I'm going to get ground beef or I get some steak sometimes, but usually I just get ground beef and chicken. So I am an affiliate for Butcher Box, and I have been since 2018. So if you're interested in trying Butcher Box, you can go to butcherbox.com/JenniferBands. There's always some kind of a deal going on, whether it's free ground beef for life. That's what I get. So every month I get free ground beef in my box. Sometimes it's bacon for life. It's, you know, $100 off. Like right now it's free bacon and $100 off. And that, you know, that deal will probably be expired by the time this video airs. But there's always some kind of a deal. So check it out. I'll put the link down in the description on YouTube. It's butcherbox.com/JenniferBands. But anyway, I love boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Chicken breasts are good for, like, if you want to put them in a creamy sauce or that's about it, a casserole. But for like a salad or anytime I just want to eat chicken, it's got to be chicken thighs. So I love boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I also love bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, and I take the skin off and then I put it in the oven and bake it and get it all nice and crispy. That recipe is on my blog, so go check it out. Crispy chicken skins, yum, yum, yum. Okay, so now we are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8 on my list is salted butter. I cannot live without salted butter. I put it in my eggs every morning when I eat eggs for breakfast. I put it on cheese. Oh my God. Instead of bread and butter, how about cheese and butter? Because that is amazing. Manchego cheese, a slice of manchego cheese with some butter. That's where it's at. Now that is a great keto snack. But yeah, I cannot live without butter. It makes everything better, and it has to be salted. I mean, I'm not partial to Kerrygold, but the flavor is really good. As long as it's a good flavor, like nice saltiness, salted butter, then I like it. But if it doesn't have enough salt, then I don't like it. It's got to have enough salt. Okay, next up, we've got Kettle and Fire bone broth. So whenever I like to make my own bone broth, I will cook chicken thighs, bone-in chicken thighs in the Instant Pot for a long time and make bone broth. This bone broth is good. It's not as concentrated. The collagen is not as concentrated as if you were to make it yourself. I'm sure they water it down pretty heavily just so they can extend their bone broth, making capacities. But it's still good, and it gives you, the good collagen that we're looking for from a bone broth. I'll use this for soups. I cooked, like last night, I made my kids and my husband like a homemade hamburger helper with some gluten-free pasta, and I used this. So that, I put it in things that just make it, give recipes more nutrition. Next up is Redmond Real Salt. This salt is so tasty. It's made in America, mined in America, pink salt. It's got essential minerals, and you can just taste the minerals in the salt. It just is so good. And I don't know, I just love it so much. So this is I was at like a kosher salt fanatic, but now I'm all about the Redmond real salt. You can find this at Whole Foods, probably. I've found it at Natural Grocers or Amazon or their website, Redmond Real Salt. I don't even know their website. What is it? Redmond.life. Anyway, they've got garlic salt. They've got a really good seasoned salt that I like. But yeah, really good salt. I love heavily seasoned salty foods. Salt is essential. Salt is life. So yeah, we crave salt because it's essential to our bodies. It doesn't cause high blood pressure. Carbs and bloating causes high blood pressure. So excessive amounts of carbs. So next up is salmon. Oh my gosh, I love salmon. I probably eat salmon at least 3 times a week. And it's super, like this Atlantic salmon, I'm telling you, this is farm salmon. But it's Norwegian farm salmon, all natural. I don't know if that makes it better, but I prefer this salmon. It's fattier. Butcher Box has salmon. Honestly, I don't really care for the Butcher Box salmon. It's a little too lean. This salmon is really nice and juicy, and even better if you can get like a plank of salmon. But these are so great in the air fryer. I just get a couple of planks. I thaw them because these come frozen. I get these at Kroger. Thaw them, season them really nicely with some Redmond real salt, put them in the air fryer for 12 minutes, come out perfect, absolutely perfect. And you know what? I forgot about something for my coffee. So this is the final ingredient that I cannot live without, and that has been very, very helpful for me in losing 60 pounds. So I have used this for years. This is Further Foods Chocolate Collagen. I put 1 scoop in my coffee twice a day. One serving, 1 scoop is a serving. Most people would only use it once a day. I just do it twice a day because I really like the taste of it in my coffee. It's so, so good. Gives a really nice mocha flavor to my coffee, and plus it gives me collagen. It's also got reishi mushroom. I don't know what that does. But anyway, it's got really good ingredients. Number 1 ingredient is bovine collagen, which is, beef collagen, peptides, cocoa powder, reishi mushroom, monk fruit. That's the only ingredients. And that's what I like. Well, guys, that is it. I've got my 11 ingredients here that helped me so much in my journey, and I still use all of them now because they're whole foods. They don't have nasty ingredients. So these are like the building blocks for a good keto lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my video where I show you what I eat in a day. I've got a couple on there, so we'll just link one right here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.